next one. The black.
Black one?
Yep.
Okay, you're white. The three men. Look how big this place. We're in the middle floor right now, first of all, and all these danger signs. Like, this is crazy. But this
Restricted
is
for who? Not me.
Yeah, he's outlaw. You
Fuck your life.
might have seen him earlier in the no smoking zone, and he was smoking. He's definitely a bad boy. Check out this dirt on the floor. Like, this is how much we're walking through. This is probably asbestos right here. Like, I promise you, we're gonna be in a mesothelioma commercial. Like, I probably have pneumocoma and shit.
Herpesiphilitis?
No, it's
Yeah, we got that too.
herpesiphilitis. What?
Yeah.
You got herpes? Crikey, this is so fascinating, all right? You look over here, we have an old stop sign. You know, you can tell how old it's been. Look at this snake. Grab him by the neck. Grab him by the neck. There's a calendar for 2020 that's brand new in this building. So who's working here?
That's 2 years ago.
Yeah, this place was dead 2 years ago.
Maybe it wasn't as dead as we thought. Look at that face shield.
Oh my god.
We got a server here. Kenny, get on this shit. You know how to work this.
Alright, this Cat 5 cable.
This is where they punch in.
No. This is where you lock out the furnaces.